Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Rahul Chowre and today we are going to see how to use the trim command in Creoparametric, or we can also call it as how to delete segment. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. Click on the file. First of all, open your Creoparametric software and then click on this new file, and again in the type as a part and subtype as a solid, untick this mark, click on OK. Next, click on these millimeters because we are going to perform all the operations in millimeters. Here is the unit and just click on the OK. And now first of all, we require to select the plane. I will select this front plane. Here you can see in green color. And next, click on the model. In model tab you can see the sketch command. Click on the sketch command, and then to the sketch view, click on this sketch view command. Okay, now in this sketch command we are going to see this command here. Okay, delete segment. So for understanding this command, we will explain by using the rectangle drawing. So in the from rectangle, take the center rectangle, draw the center rectangle from the center point of this point, and I have just clicked at the center and the rectangle started to creation. Here you will have to specify the second one point. Okay, I will just click on here. Now the rectangle is drawn by the system, and then next click the middle mouse button of your mouse, and then all the dimensions are created automatically and the command will be closed. So just double click on your middle mouse button of your mouse, then go to sketch. Okay, here you can go, the rectangle is created. And next, okay, here is the delete segment command. For better understanding, I will take one more. I will take this circle, draw this circle at this corner of the rectangle like this. Just click the first point and this is the second point. Circle is also drawn. Next, go to the sketch and here is the trim command. Okay, so what is the purpose of this trim command is we can delete the line between 2 points. Okay, any lines, just take this, click on the trim command, and then I will just select this point. Okay, here you can see the line is deleted, and then before deleting it's used to highlight. Okay, here you can see, okay, highlighting here. So I also select this line. Now this line also got trim. Okay, and then I will select this curve portion of the circle, and the starting point of this curve circle is this first point and this is the second point. Okay, so if I drag like this between over this curve of the circle. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, as you can observe, one construction line also is gone through the rectangle. Okay, here this is the dotted line. Because of that, this is the first point, this is the second point. That's why system deleted this command, deleted this curve. Okay, again secondly I will select this second one curve. Here you can see the whatever the portion is going to delete, it is indicated in green color, it's deleted. Okay, so it totally means the whatever the line is there between 2 points, only this line will be the trim operation and the delete segment operation is performed. Okay, or we can call it as trim delete segment commands. So this is all about this. Thank you for watching, and if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon and share to your friends. You can get all the videos for single command and for single video in my channel only.